And welcome back to Officer Oil. My name's Scott McAdoo. When I'm not fighting crime, I'm fighting friction. So, who am I here with today?
Michael.
Michael, where are you from?
From the Naval Academy down the street.
So he's a member of the United States Naval Academy, and we're so proud of him. He's getting ready to graduate and be one of our naval officers. And sir, thank you for your service. Really mean that. So what are we working on here today?
It's a 2022 Ford F-150. It's a V8 5.0 liter.
Perfect. And why did you come to me for AMSOIL?
One of my buddies used AMSOIL on his Ford Bronco, and he said it's been doing the trick. And so I wanted to go with the same liquid gold, get my truck running smoothly.
Great. Well, thank you. Well, this is what I do. So I'm a police first responder, and AMSOIL is what I do. I'm an independent AMSOIL dealer, and this is what I do to support my family. So please, we love the subscribes, we love the likes, we love the comments. But let's dig into this thing. So we've got it all warmed up. We've got it here on the ramps. We're in the parking lot. So the oil's nice and hot. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to be pulling off that oil filter. Get that off, make sure there's no issues with that before we start draining the oil out of it. So let's get on into it. So we're going to be using the AMSOIL EAO17. It's a synthetic nanofiber extended life oil filter. So this is a 99% efficient oil filter at 20 microns. So what that means, it's going to catch more contaminant, it's going to hold more contaminant, it's going to give you maximum oil flow for the longest drain interval possible. So this filter right here, right on it, is guaranteed up to 25,000 miles. 25,000 miles. Here's its efficiency here, how it compares to the other competitors out there, where most competitors are right about 40-50% efficiency at about 20 microns, where AMSOIL is 99% efficient at 20. All right, so right here, easy to get to, is the oil filter. Thank you, Ford. Sometimes you make us take off all this, all the weather guards and everything, the splash guards, but this one's really easy. So I've got my oil filter wrench here, and we're going to get this thing started. Now there's a little trough. This is going to run down right here to help us catch and make this a little bit easier, so I don't want to make a big old mess. Move this back a little bit. There we go. Take that off. All right, so we cracked it. Should be coming out here real soon. I'm coming down. Of course, it's not coming down the trough. Thank you, Ford. Coming out the back. Get this thing off here. Here we go. We got some coming off the trough. All right. So we got the old Ford Motorcraft filter here, stock OEM. Gonna be putting on a much, much better oil filter. So we'll let that drip and drain. Try not to make too much of a mess here. All right, go ahead, pause. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up the base here around the oil filter so we get a good seal. Get that cleaned up while this thing's still dripping here. All right, here's the filter, the EAO17. Okay, you got directions on here, super simple, very, very high quality. It's even got a little texture to it here, so for better grip, so you don't slip. But outstanding oil protection and oil filtration, and that's one of the big part of this. If you keep your oil clean, you can safely go much, much longer to catch all that contaminant. So what I always do is charge it up. There's the big debate. Some people don't like to do this, but I always just like to put some oil in it. Not too much because this is going on its side, but get some oil in it and then take your finger and lube up this gasket, because you don't want to have it a dry gasket. So get that on there nice and well. Get that lubed up, and then we'll get this thing
put back
Okay,
on.
one more wipe here just to make sure everything's clean. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. All right, good. And now let's spin this on. Let me line this up because I'm working blind here. Come on, there we go. All right. And don't crank these things down. Just snug it up, because then you need to beat this thing off or have special tools. Everybody loves to crank it down. It doesn't take much. Very little oil pressure, not much. So just snug that up right there. Just like a little bit of a turn once it gets snug. All right, perfect. So let's move on to the drain plug. All right, so one thing, I'm very anal and I like to have good airflow, kind of like breaking the vacuum seal on a pineapple can. So you gotta punch both sides. So I always just unscrew the cap here just so that I get better oil flow to get everything out, and it's gonna come out a little bit faster. All right, so since we had some oil dripping down here, kind of went a couple different directions, I'm just gonna spray it down with some AMSOIL brake and parts cleaner. Dries super fast, it'll break up the oil, clean it up, so we don't put any stains on the driveway from that oil dripping out here. So let's get a little of this in there. And I should probably wear glasses, but I'm not. There we go. I don't want to get my cameraman. I don't want to injure my cameraman over there. Michael, doing a great job. You're hired. So we'll get that wiped off. That's going to drip a little bit and it'll dry super fast. All right, let's get this oil out. There we go. Get this old oil out here. Here it comes. Oh, dripping down my arm. And there we go. Bye-bye dirty oil. Perfect. So we'll let that drain out, get as much of the old oil out, and we'll get it ready for some good, clean, liquid gold AMSOIL. So just putting on, always a good idea, put yourself on a new drain plug gasket here. This was the old gasket. This is the new gasket. I picked up a little kit here, just went online. It was really inexpensive, but I got a big assortment. Highly, highly recommend this if you're doing oil changes around the house. So while we let this drain here, so Michael's gonna be putting in, I know he's holding the camera here, but he's gonna be putting in the AMSOIL Performance Improver Gasoline Fuel Treatment. He's not gonna do it now because he's only at a half a tank. So this is gonna treat up to 30 gallons of fuel, and he'll dump it in. So Michael, dump it in at your next fill up. So just pull up to the station, dump it in, and then top it off with fresh gas and run a full course. Run it all the way down till it's empty so it can clean everything out. So this is gonna clean the injectors, the entire fuel system, restore startability, boost fuel economy. It's a great, great thing to do because the cleaners and the detergents that we get at the gas pump now, they're very, very low quality or very poor. They're just not in there much at all. So it's a great way to just keep your engine running at peak performance. So simple. Great thing to do. Dump it in every oil change. For maximum results, we recommend a bottle every 4,000 miles. But he'll do this next time. Right, Michael?
Yes, sir.
All right, so while we're still draining here, we're still just, filling some time, but we're gonna be filling this up with the AMSOIL 100% synthetic Signature Series 5W30 motor oil. This is the benchmark of performance and protection. So your engine's gonna run cooler, it's gonna run cleaner, it's gonna be quieter, it's gonna help boost your fuel economy, it's gonna reduce wear. This gives you 75% more wear protection than required by the vehicle. And if you're looking for the absolute best performance and protection, Signature Series all the way. Now we do have some less expensive options, some lower priced options for those of you who are not quite comfortable with this 100% synthetic protection. But this oil here, it's so robust that we'll guarantee it even in severe service. So in my police car, in a taxi cab, short trip driving, Uber drivers, 15,000 miles, 1 year, 700 engine hours, whichever comes first. Normal service 25,000, severe service 15, in combination with the AMSOIL Nanofiber Oil Filter, which is 25. So my opinion, in Maryland where we are, a lot of traffic, a lot of stop and go, I believe that is severe duty. So with this, I would change it comfortably once a year, 15,000, whichever comes first, unless you're a big nerd like me and you want to use oil analysis. We can actually test the oil, we can send it off to a third-party lab. We'll tell you exactly how much life is left in your oil to see what's going on. Is there fuel in your oil? Is there water in your oil? Is there dirt in your oil? Are there wear metals in your oil? It will tell you everything. So I think we're about good here. We'll get this plug sealed back up. All right, so we're down to just a little drip here, but our naval officer here has to get back to class. So we want to get him moving. So we'll get this thing all sealed up here. Get that tightened up. All right, and then snug it up. And don't tighten it too much. Just snug it up, because you do not want to strip this out. There we go. Perfect. All right, and then grab a little of our brake and parts cleaner and just spray everything down. Give it a quick little wipe, and we are cooking with Crisco. All right, Michael, I'm going to let you do the honors here since it's your truck, and I want to hear this thing just let out a big old, well, we're going to wait for it here, big old sound here, but let you dump this in here. All right, ready? Here comes liquid gold. Ah, there it goes. All right. So the capacity is 7.7 quarts, and if you use the AMSOIL Lookup guide here, they'll tell you exactly how much oil you need, what filter, what transmission fluid, everything you need there. How you doing, Michael? You good?
Yep, good to go.
Outstanding. So we'll get that first gallon in, the first 4 quarts, sorry, and then we'll get the other ones topped off here as well. Oh yeah. Nice. So to easily see what fluids and filter and capacity we recommend for your vehicle, we've got an outstanding lookup guide. Super simple. All you got to do is go to my website, officeroil.com, and by doing that, that helps me earn credit for any potential purchase you may make. Again, this is what I do to support my wife and kids outside of fighting crime here. Let me show you how to do it. So you just go to officeroil.com. This is my website, and here's your lookup guide right here. So you can look up anything: car, truck, motorcycle, ATV, boat, jet ski. Click on view all guides. In this case, we're going to the auto light truck 2022. Right here, we're coming down here to Ford, and it was an F-150 and the 5.0 8-cylinder engine code 5 flex fuel. So right here, we've got the oil change kits. This is the retail price. If you become a preferred customer, or if you need it for your shop or your fleet, we can get you a much better pricing there. So here you go. 7.7 quarts, even torque on the drain plug, 19 foot-pounds of torque. So we use the AMSOIL Signature 530 for Michael. We got a couple other options. The extended life 530, a little lower price. The OE, a little lower price. The high mileage. Here's your oil filter, EAO17. All you got to do is just add this to cart. We have an app. It makes it super simple. Give you a Wix option if you don't like the AMSOIL. They make a solid OEM style filter. Air filter, coolant capacities. So it tells you everything. It's a great bookmark, and I have some great folks that don't run AMSOIL, but they love our lookup guide. They just love it. Takes the guesswork out of it. So transmission fluid, ULV. So everything you need here right up top. So differential, transfer case, storage, fuel treatments. It's all right there. Super easy lookup guide. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me and we're changing oil out here in the parking lot, in the driveway, in your garage, and you'd like to give AMSOIL a shot and you'd like to save up to 25%, we have an outstanding program called the AMSOIL Preferred Customer Program. So it works kind of like a BJ's or Sam's Club membership. And so you pay $20 a year and you get access to the entire AMSOIL store at up to 25% off. Do it right through our app, right through our website. It's a great program. The first order can easily pay for that cost, the price of the membership. And then they have great perks. If you spend $500 with us over the whole year, we'll cover the membership. Every $100 you spend, you get $5 back. On your birthday month, you get a $5 coupon. There's almost always a promo, and it's free shipping with $100. So great, great program. Even my own parents are preferred customers. So I'll put that link below. Super easy. Or if you're a fleet or repair shop, we have an even more advantageous discount for you, a bigger discount for you. If you've got a fleet of trucks, fleet of vehicles, your repair shop, your retail store, we got a great program. I'll put that info below. Love working and just keeping those trucks out on the road longer, making money. And that is one big benefit with the AMSOIL, is with our Signature Series, is it's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, it's going to help the environment, a lot less oil waste, and keep you out there helping your clients and not on the lift for costly oil changes. So my referral number is on the screen. If you move forward, please add that in. That helps me earn credit for the sale, and or click on any of my links, and that way I can be your sponsored dealer and be there to help answer any questions and help me earn a little credit for the sale. So thank you so much, and so thank you so much for your help and helping supporting my family and my page. So Michael was just asking, how do I reset my oil life monitoring system in the truck? So there is a procedure to do it, very simple. They just check your owner's manual. But one thing I do with this is when he's going to go out, he's going to reset it. It's going to be back to zero. I have 100%. And then because the oil, the AMSOIL is good for 1 year, 15,000, what I typically recommend is just change it every other time. So when the oil life monitoring system kicks on and says, hey, change me in about, probably it's going to come on around 7,000 miles or so, just reset it. You're fine. The oil and filter is still good because it's not smart. It doesn't know what oil's in there. It doesn't know it has AMSOIL. So just reset it and then change it every other time, or 15,000, 1 year, 700 engine hours, whichever comes first. All right, he's topping off here with the extra quarts. Don't spill, no pressure. All right, we got it all buttoned up. We got the fill cap on here, drain plug, filter, and the moment of truth. Hope we did a good job. Fire it up and let's listen. Oh yeah, purring. I swear, when you dump AMSOIL in it, actually, it's kind of like Ferris Bueller. It starts taking miles off the odometer. So it's that good. It is that good. And Michael, thank you for participating. We look forward to seeing you next time. Officer Oil, Prost.